Well, as you can see, our morning has not started off right. We got up really early. We were going to go to the other side of the island and watch the sunset. We were getting in the dinghy, and then we realized I didn't have the keys. I tied the dinghy up, but not very well. Went to grab the keys, and the dinghy took off and drifted away with Allyson on it with no keys. Now Mark and Kathy are going to get her to bring her back to me, who have the keys. Maybe we'll see the sunrise someday.
Okay, it is probably 6:40 in the morning, and we've already had quite the morning. Do tell, Captain Purdy.
I'm not It's not what we're talking about.
So, it's Kathy's idea back there last night to get up early, take these mangrove creek to the ocean to watch the sunset. So we get up, we get all ready. Bernie is bound and determined. We're going to make it by sunset, or by sunrise. I'm saying, well, Kathy and them aren't ready. I don't care. We're going to make it on time. So we load everything into the dinghy, and I get in, and I said, wait, I don't think we have the keys. And so he loops the line, this small line here, around the pole on the boat to go look for the keys. And then says, where did you get the keys? Well, I don't know where I put the keys. It would have been with the nav. Anyway, long story short, I escape. And the line comes off the boat. And so he says, there's a paddle under the bench. So I get this paddle out. And the handle is broken. And so I've got this little thing trying to paddle. There's giant waves out there. There was no way that that was going to happen. So fortunately, Mark and Kathy were getting ready, and they came and rescued us. So,
what a morning! Well, here we are. We made our sunset, or sunrise.
And in closing.
And just so happens that everyone was in a tizzy. Everyone lost the keys, but only the LED boat went adrift. So there's one notch against the captain.
Yeah.
I told you I couldn't tie knots. Okay, well.